I'm reproducing a Seymour Side Chair. I think I've got all the pieces on the floor here. Nothing has been glued, but I've worked for several weeks getting the parts shaped, and I want to do a test run here before any gluing. This original chair, here it is in the book about Seymour's, and this was about 1804 in Boston where they built this. So let me start with the back legs here, and put this shoe in. It connects the back legs. By the way, I had to produce a number of full-size templates for this. I would say there are about 30 templates of all sizes that full-size required to shape all these pieces. So that's been unique. So many templates. It's just everything is so difficultly shaped that it takes sometimes 3 templates for one piece. It takes a top view, a front view, and an end view to make some of these pieces. So I've got that, and let me put the crest rail in here as well. Now I couldn't turn this crest rail. I turned the dowel ends, but this thing is shaped a little bit like this, and so I did the shaping of this with hand tools. I think could have been done with several different turning points, but I decided I would just go with the hand tools to make these shapes. There are reeds also on these. There are reeds all over this piece. Reeds on the top end of the back legs, and you'll see reeds on a lot of pieces here. So this is satin wood inlay there's a rectangular part here on the back legs, also on these rails, and also on the crest rail here. Now this little piece, another little difficult construction, goes in here, and it's got some small tenons go in there about like that. Let me push that down. Now there's this rail as well with the satin wood, figured satin wood in the face. Because it was curvature, I put 3 pieces of veneer on here. In this case, I was able to route out a rectangular socket to place the veneer. But in this case, I actually worked 3 pieces there with that mahogany edging as well. So the hard part is these pieces that go into the middle here, and that's wrong. This is a bottom left. I want bottom right. This is top right. So that goes in there like that. These have to be, there's going to be a lot of handwork done on this, and I can't do the handwork until this is all glued. Then there'll be a lot of shaping and carving, little tulip leaf carving on the ends here. There'll be a little bead that comes across. So there's a lot of work left to do, but I can't do it until this thing is glued together. So that goes in there like that. And then these upper pieces, this is the bottom left, and here's the top left. Oops. Yeah, there we go. There it goes. So now to get this other back leg on here with all these tenons, so let's see if I can get the shoe started. Okay, that started, but now I have to get all these things arranged as it goes down, and I get to where I can see where these pieces need to go. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh. It should go in. I think I'm okay everywhere. Let's see if a little hammer is gonna help with this. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Yeah. Okay, the gluing of this thing, I'm a little bit concerned about the gluing time. I'm going to use hide glue, but it will be the liquid hide glue, not the hot hide glue, because I need more time. And the liquid will give me a little more time to get this all together. Okay, so I've got a back. Then there's a front rail here for the seat, and the legs are interesting. They have this shape like this. So the reeds here meet up with that alignment there, and then at the other leg. There'll be a frame then that's made to go above this that will hold all the upholstery. These side rails are also shaped, and then they have reeds as well. And this goes then in those sockets. Now, I don't know if the whole thing's going to be in the picture or not, but that's rough. And it does go together. So I'll be ready to glue up. Ooh, let me change the height here so that you can see the whole thing. There it is. And so you get an idea of how the back is shaped. Let me turn it like that. So again, there's going to be a lot more work after it's glued. I've got to do some carving and shaping of these 4 pieces here.